Hello again. Today I will be making a quack quack. Let's start by doing 4 light folds inside. Make sure your corners meet, then put a crease. Don't press too hard on the crease, but we won't be having this crease. So fold it in 4 quarters. Like that. Open it and fold inside these flaps to the middle. Do that to all of them. Next, flip your quack quack and make the same 4 folds. Remember to flip it or else your quack quack won't work. Next, bring in the corners again. Quack quacks have many names, like fortune tellers, ping pongs. But they don't actually tell you the future. You can just put something written inside and then, yeah, your quack quack. Once you've folded everything in the middle, fold it inwards and put your fingers in these slots like this. Voila! Your quack quack is ready. Now for the coloring and writing part. So now I've made my quack quack. So as you can see, I've put 4 colors on the front. Then I've put all of these numbers and then I've put things inside here. So this is how you play. You take this and you start by choosing a color, then you spell the color out. Let's say I choose green. Green. And I choose a number. Let's say I choose 1. So then I open it 1 time and now I have to look for which one would I like to choose, and then like if I open one, then this one says always be kind. Thank you for watching.